Slight Privilege by Sam Fender is played in C-sharp standard tuning. We're going to be looking at the parts here in standard tuning so you can get started without having to detune your guitar. For the first chord in this song, we're going to have the first finger on the A string and the 5th fret. That's going to mute the D string. Third finger, 7th fret of the G. Pinky finger, 7th fret of the B. High E string open. And we're going to strum down in 8th notes for 2 full bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're actually going to accent the 1, the 2 and the 4. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and this strumming is going to stay consistent throughout the entire song. We're then going to move to the 7 and 6. 7 with the 3rd finger on the A string, 6 on the G string with the 2nd finger, and the 1st finger is going to mute that D string there for us. And we also have the B and high E strings open. Strumming is the same. Then we're going to move these fingers down in the same shape to 2nd fret on the A, 1st fret on the G, and the 1st finger again muting that D string there. B and high E strings are open. Same strumming. And then the last chord is 4 on the A with the 3rd finger and 2 with the 1st finger on the G string. And the 2nd finger is going to mute that D string, and we have the B and high E strings open. Okay, so we have 5, 7 and 7. Moving to 7 and 6. 2 and 1. And then 4 and 2. So slowly. Want to jam along with this song in standard tuning, the chords are B, F sharp, C sharp and D sharp minor, and you just use the same strumming and the same accent. So B, 1 and 2 and 4 and F sharp, C sharp,